Let's take a look at our next video creation resource, which is going to be sock puppets. And so you'll need an iPad and have sock puppets downloaded on it. And let me go back to the home screen so you can see what it looks like as we open it up. All right, so once you download sock puppets and open it up, this is going to be the screen that you're going to get to. And we're going to go to new. And when we get here, we can choose, whichever puppets we want to add into it. And so when you click on it, it's going to put the little eyeballs there. And so those are going to be the ones that are in your video. So we click next, and we can choose the backgrounds that we want. Now, you can have different backgrounds throughout the same video. So you can choose a couple different ones if you want. And so then we'll go to the next. And then we will choose some of the scenery and props that we want. Now you see it says yellow are movable while recording. And so these here are movable while you're recording. And then the red are not movable while you're recording. So you have to set them up where you want them ahead of time and they will not be able to move. So let's say we want a podium, we want a chair, apple, and let's put some clouds in there. So just, depending on what you're trying to do in your video. So we click next and it sets it up. So we chose a background, with the classroom. We can change it to the other background. So we have our stage background and we can move our desks where we want to. All right, and we can move our puppet around. Let's put our podium over here. We've got our apple. Now, if we want to make this bigger or smaller, we can just use 2 fingers and make it bigger or smaller. So we want to make this, a little bit smaller. And let's put it up on the podium here and it'll sit right here. And so we're going to start with our puppet down here, start with this one down here. And so we have our stage set and we are ready to go. Now, at any point we can change our background to any of the other settings. So we just click over here on the side which one we want to use. And I forgot we have our clouds here too. So we can make those bigger or smaller and move them where we want to. All right, so let's move those over to the side. Now, once we are ready to start our video, we're going to hit the record button up there. And you would want to have your script planned out ahead of time. You may want to have something written sitting on the side over here. So that way you can just go through and read that script as you are planning your video. Now, with sock puppets, you only have 30 seconds. So this is just going to be an intro video, something short just to get the students' attention. You're not going to be able to teach a whole lot in 30 seconds. Now, you can do several 30-second videos within the same lesson if you want to, but each video can only be 30 seconds. So however you're going to plan out your lesson, they will have to be short enough so that they can all fit, or that it can fit in that 30 seconds. So once I'm ready, I hit record. And as I'm talking, you see the last puppet that I touched, their mouth is moving. I can move them around. I can make it bigger and smaller. I can move this one around and then they're going to talk. And I can make it bigger and I can make it smaller, move them around. I can grab the apple and move it over here to this one, wherever I want to put it. And my timer up here is counting down. I have 7 seconds left, so I'm almost done. Let's move this around a little bit. I can't move the podium or the chairs, and we're done. And so now it stops and it says, keep your socks on, we're scrubbing your voice. So it's going to go through and it's going to change the voice.
I hit record, and as I'm talking, you see the last puppet that I touched, their mouth is moving. I can move them around. I can make it bigger and smaller. I can move this one around, and then they're going to talk. And I can make it bigger, and I can make it smaller, move them around. I can grab the apple and move it over here to this one, wherever I want to put it. And my timer up here is counting down. I have 7 seconds left, so I'm almost done. Let's move this around a little bit. I can't move the podium or the chairs, and we're done.
All right, so you get an idea of, it's just a real quick video, real short, and so it changes your voice, so it's not the same voice, so it takes and it automatically changes it. You don't really have any settings that you can change. But it is good. So some people don't want to hear their own voice on camera. You can use this and it'll automatically change it for you. And so we can go ahead and we can play it again. We can add music if you want to add music in from your iTunes. Now I don't have any music in there, so I don't have anything to add. But if you want to, you can add something in the background. And then we have our save icon, so we can click on that and we can save it on our device to the iCloud or cancel. So if I want to just download it to my device, I can do that. Or if the little person, you know, with the lines, they're shouting it, we can share it to YouTube. And so then I go to YouTube, and then you just have to connect your YouTube account. Now, you can set it to your Aldine Google account, because with your Aldine account, you have a YouTube account. Or if you want to do, put it on your personal account. So if I put it on my personal account and I just log in, and I'm going to move this so you don't see my password as I type it in. And apparently I typed it wrong, so give me a second. Alright, so once it signs in, and apparently it's not pulling it up, so let's try it again. Okay, so once I get signed into my Google account, I click allow. And so now, so you can see here it's encoding and uploading. You just have to give it a minute to upload. Now, once it uploads to YouTube, it'll give you the link, and then you can just use that link to put into Google Classroom, or, you know, wherever you want, however you want to share it out to your students.